Yo, what's up? It's one more time. We are back with another video. Just woke up, fresh out the shower. I don't know what I'm gonna do. I think the weather is bad. Let's see. Dirt bike curtains. Dirt bike wall. I'm dirt biked up, you know? Fire. But yeah, it's miserable out. Oh, look at my news. Don't look at that. Yeah. So now I don't know what I'm gonna do, but I'm gonna do something. I have my GoPro. I never get Corey to head mount because he stopped answering me. So I have my head mount, but it's raining, so I can't use that actually. Well, I can. I ride in the rain. Nah, I just got a shower. Let's do something. I'm gonna find something. Look at my basement. I got a couple bikes I want to try to build. Maybe we're gonna put a bike together. Let's see what we can do. Alrighty, I found what I'm doing for this vlog. New project. I think it's a good one. I'm making a pit bike for myself. Nice little pit bike. Use this, right? You got this. A long time ago, I've been sitting in my yard. The rain, everything, not covered in. Who cares? But I'm gonna try to make it run. And then remember, if you watched my old vlog, I bought a rm80 at the junkyard for $20. Right here. And I'm gonna use them forks because it needs forks, it needs wheels, it needs everything. I'll try to get this going. Yeah, let's get this. And I got a new toolbox for Christmas. Thanks to my Uncle Clint, my dad's brother. We're gonna put it to use. It looks really good, toolbox. It got some good things in there. I just gotta find some scissors because I got a zip tie on there. Let's cut it off. Snip, snip. A little clip off. Let's try to open it. How does it even? Oh, right here. Latch. Oh, Jesus. Another latch. Oh, I gotta cut it some. See like this. Last step. There you go. Let's see, got the wrapping and all in there. Look. Merry Christmas. Oh yeah, Happy New Year. Oh, I'm about to break it. There's latches at the bottom. Ooh, look at this. Ooh. Some Allen keys. Put them right there. Put them there. Some new bits. Put them right there. Put that right there. Some electrical tape. That's well needed. Put that right there. Instructions. Important. Do not read this because this is no instructions. Get that out of my face. Oh, they're crunk. Oh, wire brush. Too spiky. Nice. Nice. This is beautiful. I have a goal now for 2020. Don't lose none of these tools. Keep them in the box. That's my goal. Can't lose this tool set. I always lose and break my tools. These ones are staying right here. Let's work on the bike. Good, but bad news. Good thing is, my GoPro is finally charged. It didn't die. Went to use it. I forgot the freaking SIM card in my laptop all the way in Jersey, my girlfriend's house. Now I don't have a SIM card. Can't use the GoPro. It's finally charged. Can't use it. So I guess I'll just use my phone. Just messed my vlog up. Let's do it though. Let's put it together. It's getting late. I gotta hurry up. Gotta take these off. They're about 12 millimeter. Perfect. 12 millimeter. Oh, that's a little tight. Did you? Oh, I left the socket. Put it over here. Right? Turn. Alrighty, two down here. There we go. Heard that little crack. Bang. Went. I'm gonna do them too. Talk to you when I'm done. Forks, the front wheel off. Check. Just gotta take the triple clamps off and put the triple clamps on here. and it'll be good. Alright, already got the handlebars ticking off now. Got the triple clamps right there, the caps, the top pieces for the handlebars. Now I just gotta take this bolt off, right there. After I take this off, I'll take this top triple clamp off, slide it out. Holy crap, I've never seen this before. Dang, never seen that. Lucy's a nut. Let's take this off. Coming along, got the bottom triple clamp on. A little tight. I got two different bearings in here. I got the ones that was in the rm80, and I got ones that was in here a long time ago. But yeah, let's put the top one on. Alright, got it all on. Weird setup. It really doesn't fit that much, but moving for me, it's gonna be a little bit, but it ain't too much. It's not gonna get hurt. As long as the bolts are on there, bolts don't fall off, forks don't fall off, I'll be good. Let's put the forks on. Woo! Coming along good. Just got it all on. Damn, that's some big forks. But yeah, just gotta tighten these bolts back up. Oh, let me see if it's even. See that? Nope, it's gotta go up more. Push this up. Alright, here we go. More. Push it up a little bit more. Whoa, too much. Oh, I think it's said that. Let's tighten it up. Let's go. Yeah, let's tighten it up. Oh, coming along. Just gotta put the back wheel back on. Plastics, handlebars. It's starting to rain though, so try to do the most I can before it gets too rainy. I'm getting wet right now, but let's put the handlebars on. Bang! Got it all on, front end done. You gotta put the throttle, the clutch, all this stuff. But then, when it's all together, I just wanna make sure it runs. And then it makes sense, I'm gonna take it back off, paint it, make it look nice. But for now, I just wanna put it together, make sure it's run. Because I ain't trying to put it all together and it don't run and be junk. Put all this money into it, I ain't put money into it. But yeah, let's get it. Alright, I'm calling it a day with the Baja pit bike build. It's coming along good. Let's go. I'll show you moving around. Nice. Coming good, coming good. As we're getting out. Alrighty, one more other thing now. I want to shout out Pollen because I seen him at the parade. I didn't record anything, but with this, he wants to shout himself out. Here he goes. This is you, Pollen, taking it over.
Follow me on the gram at Pollen. Check me out.
Oh, he just messed you all up with the horn.